Okay, good afternoon, guys. Big sell-off again last night, right on the opening. I think it tried to recover once or twice, and then, this morning, very early, I think when London came in, they hammered the market again. We've had a couple bounces today, but nothing real healthy. And I hope, the levels that we've been posting on the short term in the chat room have been helpful. Trying to stay out of trouble and scalping, upticks, downticks, whatever we can do today, I think was a good trade. And trying not to get too opinionated. It's hurt me in the recent past. So we'll just stay flexible. Tomorrow is interesting. No data here in the States. Our usual little Fed buyback. And Mr. Kuroda, the Japanese, what is he, the finance minister, speaking tonight. Could be interesting. I think the markets will settle down a little bit here. I think we could consolidate near these lows. Got to give it a lot of room, though. I'm looking at this 10-year right now. I think we saw pretty good support show up down around 126.25 in the latter part of the afternoon. I think most of that was from some curve trades. And on the upside, where we opened up last night around that 127.16 to 20 area, I think will be a good upside area to play. So roughly a point range on the 10-year. Bonds, a little bit tougher. They made a lower low late in the day as the curve was steepening between 10s and 30s. I didn't even look at the rest of the curve, but it was definitely steepening today between 10s and 30s, which was a bit of a change. So maybe that is telling us something. We had seen quite a bit of flattening the last 2 days. Wild stuff. And I think this is going to continue. I don't see any kind of change here. Equities very weak. Bonds very weak. Everything. The only thing, I want to watch the currencies pretty closely here. We saw some, pretty strong recoveries off of their lows this afternoon. The yen. What else? The Swissy actually ended up with a bullish, reversal day. I think the cable did too. Maybe just a doji on the cable. But if the dollar starts coming off, I think that could be a little bullish on the treasuries. I'm going to watch that. And obviously watching the equities. When they did accelerate, we did find some little sneaky bids coming into the treasuries as stocks accelerated down. But they got to get hit hard before we see any kind of buyers come into the treasuries. Looks like the cash, somebody asked me today, where's the money that's going out of all these markets going? And I facetiously said in the mattress, but it's sitting in cash. Cash can be a good investment at times, right? So, all right, give you levels. Outlook tomorrow, tonight. I'm pretty tired. Stayed up and watched most of that hockey game last night, and man, I just can't do that when the markets are doing what they're doing this way. So I'm going to get some rest tonight. See you guys tomorrow, bright and early in the email. I'm in the chat room early. I'm there usually by 6:30. I know a lot of you guys don't show up until the equity starts to open up, but I'm there, and we're hoping to get the Twitter feed for the HFT bonds and notes fixed. Hopefully we could get it done by tomorrow. That was the early promise, but the developers or the web guys, you got to give them some time. So good luck. Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.